What's up, military millionaires? Today I want to talk to you about another mindset piece that will help you out, and that is don't give yourself an out. So something that I'm actually really terrible about saying is something like, my buddy John will ask me, hey, you want to go for a run in the morning? And I'm like, yeah, I'll see how I feel. Well, that gives me the option for how I feel in the morning. And so the answer should be yes or no, and then I do it, right? And so when you psychologically, when you say, well, I'll see how I feel. Well, I'm going to go on a 6-mile run, but either a 3-mile or a 6-mile, seeing how I feel. Like, the reason I do that is because I'm really cautious right now after knee surgery about overdoing it. So I want to make sure, like, if I feel, what I mean is, like, if I feel pain, like, no, I'm not going to push it because I'm not going to overtrain and get another injury. Problem is that when you give yourself that out and you tell yourself, well, we'll see how we feel, and guess what? When your alarm goes off at 4:30, do you think you feel like running? No, you don't feel like running. You feel like going back to sleep. So what are you going to do? Oh, you're going to go back to sleep. So you need to not give yourself an out with your words. So instead of saying, yeah, can we play it by ear and maybe I'll see you tomorrow? No, say yes or say no. If you don't want to do it, then don't. So if it's not a hell yes, then it's a hell no. And so you need to understand some of these distinctions, and you need to be able to make a decision and then stick with it. Not give yourself an out, not give yourself a, well, today, so you need to be decisive. And like I said, I struggle with saying this all the time. It drives my roommate nuts. I will say that I often pull through because I just have a weird, like, I talk smack to myself internally. Like, I'm the guy who looks in the mirror and says, oh, you're a fat piece of crap, and that's like what gets me going, rather than saying, like, oh, hey, you're looking all right, you're making progress. Like, that's just not what I do to myself. That's not how I talk to myself, which I probably should change. There's positive self-talk, but I do it in a joking manner, but that's neither here nor there. Point is, use your words to be decisive and make a decision. We all, as men, and this may not speak for everyone these days because genders are changing and norms are changing, but in my world as a man, one of the things I always give my wife a hard time about, or girls I was dating, is like not being able to choose a restaurant. Like, where do you want to eat? Oh, I don't know. What do you want to eat? But then when you make a decision, it's like, well, not there. Okay, well then what do you want to eat? Well, I don't know. Okay, well how about this? Well, not there. All right, so that drives us guys nuts. But yet we do it to ourselves in very important matters. Do you want to go for a run? Maybe. You want to buy that deal? Maybe. Do you want to, I don't know, do you want to do this? Maybe. Do you want to speak at this event? Maybe. Do you want to step outside your comfort zone here? Maybe. Don't give yourself those maybes. Don't give yourself, if I feel it, or if I feel like it. Don't give yourself those, whatever. It's either a yes or it's a no, and you need to make that decision. You need to make it quick, and you need to stick with it. That will help streamline your life. That will help make your life better, and that, I promise you, will make a world of difference for you. And I know it sounds cheesy, but all these little mindset shifts that I talk about, they really have helped me over the years. And they will help you as long as you get past the, like, they feel cheesy, they feel odd, they feel and like goofy, and just embrace them. They really will help you. So I wanted to give you that 2 cents today. Actually, my roommate told me this would make a good topic, and I was like, you know what, you're right, because I'm guilty of that, but I understand the psychological piece behind it. So I thought I'd bring it to you. So if you see John, hit him up. John is the guy that I hook people up with when they need a good VA lender. So anyway, if you need anything, you guys know where to find me. Do me a favor, like this video if you like the outdoor stuff or the more impromptu, angry Marine rants where I'm not always angry, but more mindset stuff sometimes. If you like more of this stuff, let me know. Share it, like it, comment, tell me I'm a turd, whatever. But the more engagement, the better. So I appreciate it. You guys have a great day.